In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack. This functionality can be incredibly useful for gathering quick opinions or making decisions as a team. We're going to take you through the process step by step, ensuring you get it all set up smoothly and without any hiccups. First things first, let's get into Slack. If you're not already in your workspace, navigate to the Slack website or open the app on your device. Once you're on the main page, you'll need to sign in. If you haven't already logged in, enter your email address associated with your Slack account. You might have the option to sign in using Apple or Gmail, which can be a convenient shortcut if you've set that up in your workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll be shown a list of your available workspaces. Click on the workspace where you want to create the poll. This is important, as polls are specific to the workspace you're currently using, and you'll want to ensure it reaches the right audience. Next, we need to explore Slack's extensive app marketplace. This is where you can find integrations and tools to enhance your Slack experience. Look for the Slack marketplace and click on it. In the search bar, simply type the word poll. Slack offers several third-party apps that provide polling capabilities. Look through them, and once you find one you like, click on it. After selecting the poll app that best suits your needs, you should see an Open in Slack button. Click this button, and Slack will handle the integration for you, allowing the app to be used within your selected workspace. This may require a few permissions, so just follow the prompts to approve them. With the app installed, you have a couple of options for creating your poll. Either click on a dedicated Create a Poll button available from the app interface, if one is present, or simply type in the Slack command, poll. This command is intuitive and can be typed directly into any chat within your workspace. Now it's time to fill in the necessary information for your poll. This includes the question you want to ask and the response options available. Be as clear and concise as possible, ensuring everyone understands exactly what you're asking and how they can respond. Before sending it out to your team, it's a good idea to preview your poll. Look for a preview button, which will show you exactly how the poll will appear to your colleagues. Checking it over ensures that everything looks right and that there are no typos or mistakes. And there you have it. Your poll is set up, ready to be sent out, and thanks to Slack's user-friendly interface, engaging with your team is efficient and straightforward. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.